Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Zinchak. If you are new here, please join the family. There's a red lamp below that says subscribe. Please click on that. There's a little bell next to it. If you click on that bell, you'll get notification each time I upload a new video. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. So if that is something that interests you, please join the family. And if you are my old subscriber, you are returning. Hi family, welcome. So every evening before I take my shower, I will apply these two to my hair, and then I will apply this only every other day. So let me just show you guys exactly what I do. This is how I keep my hair. I know it's not the sexy style right now, but I don't want to, I already am manipulating my hair every day, so I prefer to keep it in this little braid, and I think it's classy, it's pretty. So this is how I keep my hair for my challenge. And in the evening, what I would do, I would just take it down and apply the product to it. 30. So as you can see, my hair did grow within the 30 days. Will I continue black rice water? My answer is yes. I will continue black rice water, but I will do it once every week now, and I will use my black rice water number 2, the one that I mix with an onion juice. So I'm going to continue doing this for the next 6 months, and I will come back and show you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Wish you good luck on your black rice water challenge. Bye bye.